Today we start how to we can run Google Ads. So Google Ads, we can discuss about the total tutorial of Google Ads. So today start. So please subscribe and like my channel if you like my videos. And this we launch a full tutorial, and then we launch a full course of Google Ads to step by step guides. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we click on Chrome, Google Chrome, and then we see login our account. Okay, when we login our account, then after login, when we login, then we simply search Google AdWords. When we search Google AdWords, then we we simply click on the second. The first one is sponsored, and then second one we click it, and when we click it, so first of all you need to log in your account in there for to run a campaign or any other. So then I have account, then I simply sign in. When you don't have account, you click on start now. I have account, then I simply sign in. So it's opening. It's taken time. Okay, then yeah, it's now. So we discuss about the full tutorial of Google Ads, how to run the campaign and how to we start, how to keyword research we do, how to display it, how to search it. So then the full tutorial, and we discuss about the full tutorial. So that's our campaign. So my campaign, I have launched some campaigns, but today we start a new campaign. So simply you can create campaign. Click on create campaign. When you click, you need to click campaign, and then start your new campaign. Okay, that's started. So it's take some time because there is loading. Yeah. After that, we simply discuss what we want to get. So simply we want to take sales of our websites or online stores, or we take leads to our construction business or something bigger, and or we take traffic on our websites, or we want to our brand explore our brand in mean people who can explore our brand and services. Brand awareness. If we want launch a new brand, then we simply discuss the brand awareness. Uh, and after app promotion, if you have make an app and then Play Store and then you promote it, so simply you can launch the campaign of app promotion and local store visits and promotion. If you have stores in any area, you want to promote it in area, so you can launch the campaign of this. If you have not any goal to set campaign, so you can discuss. So we discuss today simply online store. Okay, after online store we continue. So we continue. So after that we search, we select where we want to show our ads. So first we discuss, if we want to show our ad in search, mean when we search on Google, then the you need when you see the first campaign which is search, okay, and then other campaign is audience, performance audience. If this mean you have automatically run ads, and other is displays. When you search on Google, then you click on any websites, you see in ads in websites. This is displays, okay. Video ads and shopping ads. When YouTube you when you see a video in YouTube, then you see the ads in YouTube. ये देखें, this is reach viewers on YouTube and get conversions, run ads YouTube and showcase and explore the shoppers. So we want to search, but I prefer mostly in display or search because they have good. So and then we select where your customer reach on visit to websites or calls on you or visit to your store so we simply want to visit on call on, so simply we give him the number. When we give him number, when we give him number and then after number we select our campaign name. So our campaign name, which any products you want to, like we want to discuss airports are simply website name, and this is not shown in your ads. This is not shown in your ad. This is very. So we continue. That is continuing. Okay. You see that how do we do it, and then it says it's like a says, okay, to start new. After that, when we discuss our first campaign selection, and then we select our bidding, how much we want to bid. If you have in a dollar, you can change it. You can set in a dollar. So we are in Pakistan, so we set simply in PKR, okay. And then we do next. After next, so people are coming to our display and search networks, and country you select location. Location you select any location. If you want to locate in America, so simply you can there and option location, enter another location, okay. Either this is simply you United, you can search United States, and there is searching. Yeah, and there is select a language. There I can select a language in English. So our select in English, so this is our location we select, and then we go to keywords. So we can use keywords, broad match keywords, or off use keywords. Mean you want to which keywords, okay. If we click on more settings, then there is setting, add rotation, campaign option, schedule your brand, something new. So we simply next, and if you have any websites, okay, then you simply click on there, okay. If you don't have any websites, and simply you can look right, If our product is AirPods, simply click this. Okay, that's our keywords are searching, which is broad. Mean we earbuds. If we like earbuds, our product, whichever product we want. So simply we click and like if we search there. Okay, and after we click on there, and then we go to add our URL. If you have URL any website, then you simply click there. If we have website www.com or simply what you want, and then you need to write displays display path. Okay, there is shown your websites. Okay, and then you simply write a headline uh, quality airports, and then we select another headline. We have quality ports. Okay, quality ports, and then we select. So we need, and then our Shopzilla have that. You need a simply very creative mind. That's you can search. So we do it. If you give description, some you write that we have all high quality earpods available. Simply you write okay, and then you second description. Listen the music and enjoy it. So we can do it, and then we simply site link means we can give link of sites, like we can link of any creative, like we can give there is any link which we want, any phone call we want to phone call it and give URL. There is site links. Okay, so we don't create, we simply and call outs, like we want to call outs more about our business, like we give him call. Okay, that's our links. So we simply close it and then done, and then next. So you can search your budget. What budget you want? Daily budget, this and this, and you can now pay your URL. So this is the full tutorial of Google Ads, and there's the we do simply full tutorial, and so we launch a full step-by-step course. Then you see that how to we launch a proper campaign and how to we do it. That is a simply tutorial. So if you like my video, then subscribe and like my channels. So thank you so much.